Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making peanut butter. So I'm going to be making two types of peanut butter, and that's the regular and spicy peanut butter, and I'll be using blanched peanut for this recipe. There is no added oil or sugar in this recipe. I'm only using spices and salt for taste and flavor. I'll be listing the spices that I use for this recipe in the description box. So for the blanched peanut, I'm going to roast this in the oven for 10 minutes at 160 degrees. This is to help release the natural oil in the peanut and also help in the blending process as well. So this has roasted for 10 minutes and I'm going to leave it to cool to room temperature before I start blending it in the food processor. I'm using quite a lot of peanuts for this recipe, and that's because I'm making two types of peanut butter. So as you may already know, peanut butter contains healthy unsaturated fat which helps to lower cholesterol, and it also contains proteins, minerals and fibers, and it should be eaten in moderation because with every fat comes high calories. So I've been blending this for 4 minutes and this is how it looks. It's beginning to clump together because the oil is being released, and the more the oil is being released, is going to form a paste. And because I'm making a large amount, I'm going to require long blending to release the oil. But if you're using small amount of peanuts, 4 minutes is enough to achieve the creamy peanut butter consistency that you need. And after 6 minutes, this is what it looks like. So the more I'm blending this, the more the oil is being released and it's getting creamier, smoother and thinner in consistency. And at this stage I'm going to add the mixed spice and the salt, and this is all I need for the regular peanut butter. So after adding the mixed spice and the salt, I'm going to blend this for a further 2 minutes, but you can use any spice that you prefer. So after another 2 minutes, you can see the consistency is become smoother and creamier, and is so liquidy now at this stage. And it's very easy for me to pour this into the jar, and it's flowing nicely into the jar. So I'm pouring half of the peanut butter into the jar, and the remaining half I will use for the spicy peanut butter. So I'll be adding the herbs and the chili into the spicy peanuts. So it's more spices and chili. So you can see how flowy and how smooth the natural peanut butter is, the regular peanut butter, sorry. So the more it cools down, the oil will settle at the top of the jar. So for the spicy peanut butter, I'm going to add ground black pepper, ground ahu seed, which is also called the African Calabash nutmeg. That's the one we use to cook pepper soup. Yes, that's the one. It's very aromatic. And I'll be adding chili powder as well. So I'm going to blend this together for 20 seconds just so that it can combine well into the peanut butter, because the peanut butter is ready, so it doesn't need long blending. So 20 seconds is enough to make sure everything is well combined. And after 20 seconds, you can see how deep and rich in color the spicy peanut butter is looking, and that's because of the spices and the chili that I added to it. So it's very smooth and it's very soft, very silky, Look at this goodness, and yet no oil has been added to this. And this is the difference between the natural homemade peanut butter and shop-bought peanut butter, because the shop-bought peanut butter has trans fat that has been added in the form of hydrogenated vegetable oil, which helps to stabilize, act as a stabilizer, and also to stop the peanut butter from separating. So, and sugar has also been added, but the homemade natural peanut butter hasn't got any of those unhealthy stuff. And you can eat this with virtually anything you like. And here I'm using the Nigerian garden egg or the African eggplant to eat the spicy peanut butter. And I also felt peckish for peanut butter on toast, so I used the regular peanut butter to spread on my toast, and you can see how spreadable this is. So smooth, so silky. And you have the choice of 2 types of peanut butter, spicy and regular, so you can make your preference, and it's very easy to make. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep getting my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.